Draw and learn. Oh, look at this shark family. Hello, kids. Let's color in this shark family with each other. At first, I want to color in father shark. Which color I'm using? Do you know? That's right. It's blue color. I'm coloring the father shark with blue color. So beautiful. Please subscribe us. Oh, look at this family. They are smiling. They are very happy with each other. Maybe they are playing with each other now. Do you like to play with your parents? Oh, it's so great! I'm sure you're so happy beside your parents. Please coloring with me. You're so great. Now I'm coloring this body with blue color. Let's do it with me. Okay, just this. Which color do you like for the baby shark? What about purple color? Do you like it? I like purple very much. What about you? Repeat after me. Purple color. Draw. Paint carefully. Let's color in his body. That's right. You're so awesome. Okay, it's turn to coloring Mama Shark. Do you like to coloring Mama Shark with pink color? It's so beautiful. It seems that shark family love each other very much. Let's color her body. I'm using red color for her legs. Let's coloring her mouth with each other. I'm using red color for her mouth. Paint carefully. finished. That's so great. Thank you for watching me. If you like this video, please subscribe us. See you in the next video. Bye bye.